fast way to make money online today. 5 methods. Ready? What's up guys, Kris Krāze here, and today we have fast ways to make money online today. Not tomorrow, but today. We're gonna blow through these 5 methods that you need to know in order to get going today. What's number 1? Number 1 is sell items that you have on OfferUp, on Craigslist, regardless of what it is, just sell them. Seriously, case in point, I made $2,500 in 1 week putting stuff I had in storage on OfferUp. People want to buy right now. There's a frenzy going on and it's crazy. List your items, get rid of the junk, and get it online. But before you do that, smash that subscribe button and of course, like and ding, 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 notification bells. You know all the good stuff because that's what we do on this channel. Boom. Number 2. Let's go. What's number 2? Number 2 is brokering services. Whether you know how to do something or not, you could still broker the services out. Web work, graphic design, video, you name it. Find somebody that does it on Fiverr or Upwork or anywhere else, even in your local community. And then all you have to do is sell those services to somebody else and you broker the deal. A, B, C. You're B, you broker A and C never even talk to each other. See what I mean? Number 3, affiliate. What is affiliate? Affiliates sell products online that aren't even theirs. Hot products right now, sanitizers, dispensers. There's a lot of products that you could sell for other companies. You can go to commissionjunction.com. There's a lot of other sites, but sell other products that aren't yours and you get a commission. Simple as that. It's almost like brokering the deals and you're selling products, but you don't even stock any of that. So yes, quick way to make money starting today with no money down and no money invested. Just your time. Time, that's it. What is number 4? Number 4 is drop shipping rev share. What is that? Well, if you've never heard of that, I'm going to tell you what it is right now. Drop shipping rev share is this. When you create a free website, plug videos are on my channel already on how to do that, and you go ahead and you list products on there that you will find from AliExpress. You could take those same products, you list them on your site for a higher price, but then you say, how do I sell them? What do I do? Like, I'm lost. Yeah. I'd be lost too. You simply go to Instagram, you find influencers that have a lot of people on their channels, and you go ahead and you pitch the idea to them. They market your product that you have on your website. They sell it. They get a cut or a share of the revenue, keywords, rev share, that you do, and you guys split the profits. It's as simple as that. You simply order the products from AliExpress, you send it off, and you never stock anything. Yes, drop shipping rev share is the name of that. That's number 4. And of course, number 5, because we talked about 5 fast ways to make money online today. Number 5 is transcribing or typing. Talking of rev, well, rev.com. Perfect example right there. I don't even need to say any more. There's tons of other websites you can go online and type in. Typing, gigs, typing, transcribing. If you translate, even better. Plug and bonus round. Yes, bonus. The bonus here is checking out other videos on my channel. I have tons of videos that talk exactly about fast ways to make money online today. Yes, these are like the best and easy ways to earn money online. Whatever you want to type in, like how to earn money online. I mean, regardless of what keyword you type in, they're there and I talk exactly how to do that. This is a quick video, so I am Kris Krāze, and on this video, I'm out.